Want to compress your video without losing quality? In this video, I'll show you how to compress any video using Rotato, a free website that works right in your browser. First, open your browser and go to the Rotato website. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Once you're on the site, click on Web Video Tools. Now tap the Upload button and choose your video file. Next, pick how much you want to compress your video. You'll see 3 choices: low, medium, and high. Now tap on the Compress button. Wait for a few seconds. That's it. Your video is ready. Click Download to save the new video to your device. Rotato also has other helpful video tools, feel free to try them out. And if your internet is slow, you can also download the Rotato software and use it on your computer. That's how you compress a video in just a few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tools and tips. See you in the next video.